Hey guys, so I'm here with a new product called Inglam. I bought it off of Amazon. It was like $62. In it comes with this beautiful case. And then inside it has different parts. So it has the blow dryer, has the little scrunch, and has the turn. It also comes with clips, a comb, and a glove so you don't burn yourself. I never use the glove, but my favorite is this one. So basically, you press these two buttons, it detaches, you put the other attachment. I carry it with me to work every day. I'm at work. So basically, you just turn it on, and you just brush. It's good on all hair types, wigs, everything. And I didn't expect, I thought I was going to end up returning this, but it ends up being really, really cute. And the guys in the office make fun of me because they're like, you're blow drying your hair in the office. Yes, I am. There we go. And there you have it. So then you just flick back the hair and you're ready for your day. So if you want to see how the blow dryer works, let me show you. It's like this. It's so cool. And then it blow dries from this end. I don't want to ruin what I did, so it's really, really nice. And this one, I don't really use it much. I have yet to use this. I guess you're just supposed to crunch your hair so it gives it those curls. And then it hypes it up. Gives you that volume that people look for. And then this one, I've used it a couple of times. I really like it. To get those curls on the edges of your hair, so if you ever like this. You want to ruin what I already did. But yeah, those are the attachments, and that's the thing. It's on Amazon. It's like between $60 to $75, depending on when you buy it, I guess. But it's a really good item. I would try it if I was you guys.